Welcome. Let's look at this question. Higher EduCell paper 1, November 2022. A and B are points on a circle with the center O, AB. Then D, BC is a tangent to the circle at the point B. The angle AOB is x degrees. We have to show that the angle ABC is half the angle at the center there. So we need to bring out all the properties we know. Then you must give a reason for each stage of your working. So let's begin with the first one. Already we know that a line drawn from the center towards a tangent give us 90 degrees. So we can begin with that since the angle ABC is in that angle. So I say that the angle here, which is going to be angle OBD, will be equals to the angle OBC, which will be 90 degrees. So we have the working. What will be the reason? The reason is tangent meet a radius at 90 degrees. So that's the reason why we are saying that a tangent and a radius meet at an angle of what? 90 degrees. So it means the angle here is 90, the angle here is 90. Now, if that's the case, the very angle here plus the angle I am asked to find is the one that gives me the 90. So if I know this very angle as 4, I will subtract that from 90 to get this. Or this angle will be equals to 90 degrees minus this very angle. So we need to find that angle also. And this angle are going to be the same because they are formed by the same radius. Radius, then a chord. And this gives us a right angle, an isosceles triangle. So I can say this angle and this angle are going to be equal. So how will I describe that? The angle OBA will be equals to the angle OAB. Let's just say that is equals to y. What property? The base angle of an isosceles triangle are what? Equal. You can write this in y. That's an isosceles triangle. So we can get the number or we can just apply the calculation, meaning y plus x will give us 180, the sum of angles in the triangle. That means that your y will be equals to 180 minus x divided by 2. I mean one of them. One of the y will be equals to that. Seeing this is going to be 2y equals to 180 minus x. Then divide both sides by y. You get that value. Alright. What next to do? Since we have that, in the beginning we mentioned that if we subtract this very angle from 90, you should be getting this angle. So I can say the angle ABC will be equals to 90 degrees minus this very angle, which is y. And y is what? 180 minus x divided by 2. So this is a fraction, right? So here, for me to have here we can make sure we have the same denominator, right? This could be 2 times 2. So 180 minus 2. Then here, don't forget, this is going to be subtraction of the numerators divided by the denominator. Or I can just split this to have 90 minus 180 divided by 2 will be 90 minus x divided by 2. I can split the terms in the bracket, right? Then when I open the bracket, I'll be having 90, negative will affect the 90, negative will affect here, x over 2. So 90 minus 90, that will be 0. So that means the angle ABC will be equals to Don't forget this is negative times negative, so positive. So I'll be having negative x on 2, which is the same as 1 on 2x degree. I guess we are able to prove that the angle ABC is half x degree. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.